Hi everybody. So we are making some tzatziki to have with our arrayas stuffed pitas. So you want to have some plain all-fat Greek yogurt. When you use the non-fat they replace it with sugar, so it won't be quite the same, but you can use whatever you want. I have grated cucumber that I have already squeezed in paper towel to get a lot of water out. If you're making a big batch, you'll want to put it in the refrigerator in a mesh strainer with a piece of saran wrap over the top overnight and let all the water drain out of it. I'm just making a quick batch to go with dinner tonight, so I'm just making a small batch. So it's half a small cucumber, about a cup of yogurt, and I have some garlic. It's about a clove minced. I have some dry dill weed. If you have fresh, use that, but I'm using what I have. So a few shakes of that. Some salt. To taste. Some lemon juice. I don't have any fresh lemons right now, so I'm using my good old Lucy's. About a teaspoon, and just mix it up. And this is going to be the dip for our stuffed pitas. So easy peasy. And you can drizzle it with some olive oil. Taste it. The longer it sets, the better it will taste. I don't think it needs anything. I just think it needs to sit for a few minutes. Let that dill and garlic infuse in there. Yeah, just let it set and let those flavors marry, and that's the easiest tzatziki, or whatever the proper pronunciation is. So I'm going to put that in the fridge and let it sit until our food is ready. So that's it. You will see it in the arrayas video. You will see us having that with it. So I thought I would do a quick video, super easy. Use those cucumbers in the garden. You can use this with vegetables, pita chips, whatever you like. So anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and make you some flavorful foods. And I will see you in the next video.